Hi, let me show you how to turn off iPhone without touchscreen. So for that, you want to find volume keys, which are located on the left side of the phone, and power button on the right side of it. Now we need to quickly press volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold side button. So let's try this out. Up, down, and hold side button. At this point, just continue holding till the screen shuts off. So you don't need to slide. And now you need to hold volume up button with combination of side button. And yep, now when Apple logo disappeared from the screen, we can release those two buttons, because if we don't do this, then the phone will restart but not shut off. As you can see, now it is completely turned off and it won't restart itself. You just need to manually turn it on. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.